check me out. Before this video start, I just want to tap in. I got a new setup, and yes, the sound is not how it usually be. So I just want to put this out there. Bear with me. This is the sound that we're going to have for now. It's not going to be for permanent, but for this video, this is how the sound going to be. It's not as crisp and clear as my usual videos be, but just bear with me until I get back straight. Y'all know my camera burnt up in the truck, so bear with me with the sound.
Gizzle Rollin. Gizzle Rollin.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, Gizzle skate.
It's already recording. Let's do this shit.
She gonna have the camera on her the whole time.
Check this out, man. Look, we out here at Rack, of course. We at the River Center, Raising Cane River Center. Y'all see what the fuck going on.
We are in Baton Rouge,
Louisiana. Baton Rouge.
70808.
Samo 805? That's where we at? Samo 805?
I don't know.
We're in the South, right? We're in the South. Yeah,
Yeah.
Samo 805, but we're in the South with it. You know what I'm saying?
This is the fold up or down?
I always see.
Top or the bottom. We out here though.
We in between.
Cross the tracks. We in the South right now.
I'm from that north though. Fuck all that. 38 baby.
You know, chip a one. But look, check this out, man. We gonna be going through this motherfucker, seeing what the fuck they got down. As I'm seeing now, we see a lifted Tacoma. We see some old school shit. I see a Camaro that says I'm gonna go check that shit out. I know Maul ain't ready to see the old schools. You know what I'm saying?
Already talking
just
about
in
selling
here-
this truck bullshit.
Yeah, talking about selling the motherfucking truck. Mr. Stunkwall Maul ain't gonna be Stunkwall Maul no more. He's gonna be just Maul.
Be stunt car.
Yeah, Gizzle if you want to buy that motherfucker.
Well, I guess he for real. So if y'all want to buy it, DM me or we'll get in touch with Maul. I'm gonna insert the picture here, even though if he do get a sale, I ain't gonna tell him because I don't want him to sell it. So
You might just cut that part out.
on me though, for real. But we finna go see what the fuck they got. It don't look as big as it was last year, but I feel they got side by sides and shit, wide body Hellcats. We gonna see what the fuck going on. Bit tough as a motherfucker. That bitch got a dash in it and everything. What's an iPad? A bit clean. Fire shit. That bitch snorkeled and everything. That bitch got them fire rolls on this bitch. Damn, I ain't see that clear gearbox.
Pay me with detail in there.
Them sixes, ain't? Yeah? You done finally found somebody with your same rim. Know you ready to sell them now.
Keeping got the motherfucker that started going.
Oh shit, know what that mean. Know what that mean, Ma. I'm finna sell them bitches. Oh Lord, God damn. Say what, Ma?
Hey, don't be around, Ma. He might sell you too.
Really, nigga?
What's up, my guy?
Hey, brother.
What's up, my guy? What's going on with you? Hey, look, I need that Cuban bracelet.
For what?
Give it to me.
Oh, hell no.
Nigga!
You were black? You black before.
Mm-hmm. That's the one that, yeah.
You made the beat, though.
Yeah. That be fed, son.
Like everything like this. Pain.
Man, that bitch get down. Man, that bitch get down. Boy, that Chevelle clean. That Chevelle clean. Boy, that Chevelle clean. No, for real.
Oh.
Hey, say what, bitch? Do it again.
Remember this? I don't know none of y'all niggas. I almost walk up on me.
Man, son got armor all on the seats. Man, son got armor all on the seats. This will just
pull up. This will pull up and post up on my shit.
Yeah.
I really ain't going in. I really.
This bitch clean. This bitch is clean though, son. On me though. Nah, on me for real.
I'm just pulling up just to look at y'all. Like, I know my shit clean.
They got some real heat in this bitch.
This flakes.
Yeah.
This flakes in his shit.
That's flake there.
Huh? The flakes.
Stock colors come with flakes already.
See, but that's what I'm saying. I don't want my shit.
You saying this probably stock?
Well, you know them foil colors?
Yeah,
He do got little flakes in that bitch, but I see it on the
that's flake.
color.
But that's what I'm saying.
But you
I
know,
don't want my shit.
That candy look like that.
Yeah.
That base coat on that candy,
Yeah, true.
candy ain't nothing but a tinted clear. So that's why you can see that bottom.
Oh, all
That
right.
aluminum, they got a lot of flake in that bitch. That candy don't really have one. But when you put that candy over a fire base, you can see that base pop from under that bitch.
See, but that's what I'm saying. I don't want, like when I spray my shit, I want my shit to have a pearl, but I want just silver.
It don't matter what he want. I'm gonna put together some colors.
I'm super charged. I ain't gonna lie, I got a love and hate for the motor covers.
I don't like
clean,
them bitches.
But it's like
It's clean, but I don't like them bitches. Yeah. It's clean, but I don't like them bitches.
I got a love hate for that shit.
Look, check this out. This what Ma wanted to come over here and see.
It ain't no T-top, it's a hard top.
See, good. I'm glad. I'm glad it's not a T-top. It's a hard top. I'm so glad. Say what, Will? Cap again.
That big a hard time. This nigga here needs motherfucking, what it is? What body it is?
F body.
He go crazy. He done wet his pants. Oh, that's a stick.
You can grab a stick, I'm on.
I got my CD on.
Man, I'm telling the whole world today. If I had one of them, get what the fuck I'm doing with. You know I'm laying it back.
Oh God.
I'm gonna piss everybody off because I'm gonna put a lift in the front and I ain't putting nothing in the back. That's how I'm coming. And it's a slab too.
Will it 3.0?
Man, I'm putting this bitch to the ground. There go that garbage motherfucker right there. Hey, you need to sell that piece of shit. Look. You need to sell a piece of shit.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
You need to sell a piece of shit. What up though, bro? How you doing? Y'all know my dog Devin, bro. I gotta talk my shit to Devin. Y'all know this. But what's up with the gang? What's up? That boy got some juice on that bit. That boy got some juice on that. Yeah, got some juice on. Look at the roof. Yeah.
Look, you know that bitch big when you can see the transmission. I can see the transmission. I can get all the transmission bolts from right here. I'm gonna drop that bitch. I ain't gonna go under the car.
Then that boy got 2 yellow tops on that bitch.
That shit crazy, son.
That bitch coming home with that
Nigga pass this boy up and go say, I ain't passed this car yet.
That bitch that long, man.
That's what's good. That's what's good to tell you that, man.
On me.
06.
I think that cover called like seafoam.
This is another one that you just pull up. You ain't much. I don't much know y'all.
Hey, how you gonna pull up? How you gonna pull up?
If I was in this,
Yeah, how you gonna pull
y'all
up?
gonna run to me. Where I'm gonna be? I don't know.
But look though, whenever you pull up to the function, you ain't gonna go in, huh?
No.
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna block Brown that bit about 3-4 times. Playing the same song.
Then look, how you gonna stand beside that bitch? How you gonna
Look. This my partner. He gonna walk up with him.
What's the finest thing you saw in here?
I ain't lying. Fire shit I ain't seen. Looking at him.
Okay.
Yeah. Like
Looking
that.
at him.
Like that.
Fire shit.
You hear me?
Fire shit.
But besides me. Besides me. You hear me? I'm fucking. If I was running this bitch,
Yeah.
let's just say imaginary reward.
Okay.
For me.
Okay.
You know, I run this shit right now.
Okay.
So we're gonna have 2 best of shows. for me.
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and get my boy right here.
Okay.
This the tall trophy.
Yeah. You
gonna
putting
sit
that
right
bitch right there. You put that bitch right there.
That's for him. You hear me?
Okay.
That bit fire.
That bit fire.
Look.
Okay.
Nah. This on fire.
Son, I ain't even see this motherfucker here.
Fire shit.
You saw this shit?
This on fire shit too.
You can't even. Oh, this the fucking seat must be. Yeah.
Yeah.
What the
Nigga
fuck?
sitting on the road.
Housefly. Cub.
Nah, this some fun shit.
And he got a plate on the back of that.
Just imagine all 3 of us with these bitches coming down Allen Street back of town.
Oh shit. Nothing but fingerprints on this, but they been touching the fuck out his shit. They been touching the fuck out. So what was the fire shit you seen in here? Okay.
New or old?
It don't matter. The fire shit you saw in here. Overall. Same one he say? Okay, so my dog right there won it again.
I like that, but
Yeah.
it's the Camaro. I ain't gonna lie. They got a nice.
So you like this one right here?
They got this one and what it was, the black one.
Talking about the other Camaro we saw?
The other LS one.
Oh, okay.
Who won?
All right, sis.
I think it's a black one over there.
What was the fireest thing you saw in here that you like?
It's dropped out too.
Off top,
Off top.
probably the orange truck.
Okay, the orange truck. So the orange truck, I'ma say the fire shit I saw in here was that orange shit.
But
that orange shit.
Most extreme.
I can,
Yeah, the most extreme.
But as far as like dude saying he do his own
Yeah,
shit and
yeah.
put his own time into it.
I like that Versa.
Yeah,
that
my boy
Versa.
gon-
Yeah, that Versa.
For
So
the way I come up doing shit and
yeah,
how we operate,
yeah,
like from my experience, I'm doing him.
yeah.
But he put money into that bitch over
He
there.
did though. He did. Shit. You alright up under that G? Man, you cool? You alright, huh, son?
You was stuck under that because
Oh shit, he got some shit.
heat up under that bitch though.
God damn. Ooh, I like that. I like that. He got some heat up under this bitch though. Look, he got some heat up under this bitch.
Oh, I saw the brake thing, whatever the fuck.
What, the brake thing?
The gun.
What brake thing?
The shifter.
Oh, the shifter?
I ain't know what the fuck that
See, that's
Buddy got a sawed off in that bitch. This bitch tough though. This bitch tough.
Bitches.
This bitch tough though.
You know, I look home on this shit. Like the shootout fucking.
This bitch look like Jeeper Creeper gonna pull up in this bitch. Well, look, man, we out of the show. We done went saw everything. Goddamn. Maul influenced us for to get some of this devil's water, devil's piss. And we took it.
And we just walking past the people fucking doing the Gosby shit. And we out here fucking drinking fucking the devil's drink.
Look. Where is it? Where is it? We just got us a card about, dude told us, say, I would love to see y'all in heaven, so do the right thing. And we just left this man come over here and drink that shit.
Seen it already.
We got to.
You know it damn well. That population too high. We ain't gonna crowd past up there.
Man, we done for the day. It's over with, goddamn. I do want some more of that devil water though.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with y'all? You niggas are crazy.
Yeah,
God
bro, that's why I ain't going yet.
But yeah.
God don't forgive me yet, cause I'm about to do it again.
Hey, bye, man.